The feature Machine Data Acquisition MDA offers you the possibility to connect your machines directly to Production Planning and Control. In our first pilot phase, MDA offers the possibility to compare the manual feedback by machine operator with the data of MDA. As you can see, the status of the machine is in the left upper corner, together with the NC program name. This status may switch to idle and an idle time will be recorded. I want to show you an example of how MDA works. We have an operator who starts the operation and switches to operation only because the operator has to handle a second machine. During his absence, the machine turns to idle because of an issue. Due to the discrepancy between the information given by the operator and the machine status, an idle time is now automatically created. After some time, the operator returns to the machine and also stops his confirmation. When the machine returns to the status production, the idle time automatically stops. Now the operator can add a reason to his idle time. The reasons for the idle time can be evaluated in Production Cockpit, and those be included in the optimization of the production processes.